Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 13 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First, open your phone dealer, then enroll keypad, and here we can enter the codes. The first one is *##, #225, #**, and this one will provide you with all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your device. So it's perfect as you will not forget about any upcoming event. Another code that you can use here is *##06#. It's pretty short code with all necessary device information. So whenever you need to check email or serial number quickly, it's the best way to do it. Tap on OK to exit. And the last code that I wanted to share with you today is *##, 426, and here we've got FCM diagnostic mode where you can find events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and click on advanced view. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.